Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with Mr. Mechi. We are bringing you guys any activities with the kiddos. So today I thought that I would just treat the kids, since it's our first week of break, to the pool. So I'm gonna set up the pools, and then we'll go inside eventually, and then I'll put in a Chuck E. Cheese pizza into the oven for lunch, and we will then just make some beach cups. So this kit was bought at Aldi's. It was about, I think, $2.99, so it's a really great deal. They also have the dirt cup one, so be sure to check those out in your local Aldi's. Anyways, let's just jump right into it. Check out the playlist after you finish watching this video. Alright, so the kids are enjoying their last few minutes out here in the pool, and then I'm gonna get ready to go and turn our oven on so that we can have some dinner. So I don't know if any of you guys have tried the Chuck E. Cheese pizza. They also have pepperoni flavor, but we always buy the cheese pizza. This is just the quickest lunch, I feel like, for us, because it's on $3.75 for 12 to 15 minutes. And yeah. So here is our lunch. Alright, so the kids are having some lunch, and we will be making our Jello Play beach dessert kit in a little bit, so stay tuned for that.